Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a day in my life while studying abroad. If you guys didn't know, I'm currently in Glasgow, Scotland. It's my senior year of college. I've always wanted to study abroad, but felt like the opportunity just never arose. And then finally one day I was like, you know what, I'm just going to apply and do all these things, and here I am. I will only be here for one semester. I've been here for roughly about a month and a half, and I have another month and a half to go before school ends, and then I'll be spending about like 2 to 3 weeks after finals just traveling around Europe. So if you guys want, follow me on my Instagram right here just to keep up with all my travel updates and whatnot. Other than that, life here is completely different than back in the States. Scotland itself is really cold compared to San Diego. I even have a cup of tea right now because it's just so cold. But I did pick up a package earlier after class. I already know what it is, but Andrew sent me a little gift. I love that man's. It's a Scratch Travel World Map. Since I've been here, I've only been to 2 other countries. I went to Munich, Germany for Oktoberfest, and that was a blast. I went to Budapest, Hungary, and that was also so fun. And then the other weekends that I've been here so far, I've just been getting to know Glasgow or Scotland in general because the Highlands here, amazing. The other country I'm going to during the semester is going to be Iceland with my flatmates because we're going to go and try to catch the Northern Lights. If you guys just want to know about things like how to prepare for studying abroad and how to save money and all of that, go ahead and leave a comment down below as well. I thought he just got me like a single world map, but he got the combo where this one is specifically catered to the UK, which is where I'm located right now. So this has a little bit more of like details on where I've been inside of the UK versus this one where it is just like an overview of the world map. Hey guys, since the last time I checked in, I beat my face a little bit just because I didn't want to go back to sleep. I have a bad habit of doing that. And then Crystal and I are about to head into town, which is about like a 10-minute walk, and we're gonna grab some groceries and maybe go shopping or something like that. I'm waiting for her outside right now. It's kind of sprinkling. I'm hoping it doesn't start pouring because I don't have a hood and I'm lazy to go grab a jacket with a hood. So wish me luck. It is so busy in town today because there's like a huge protest going on for Scottish independence and Brexit all in one. And someone walked by us and was like, this is the most Scottish day of Scotland or something. I don't even know where to walk right now. Hey guys, I just got home from town and Crystal and I did some damage to our wallets. I'm gonna show my roommates what I got, but in that case you guys are gonna see as well. Oh, I got snow pants. Anyways, I have these snow pants. They're supposed to be more fitted, I guess. Then I got this jacket. I've always wanted a yellow jacket, but like it doesn't rain in San Diego.
Why, you want to be like the Eat Boy?
Isn't it so cute? I got this like plain hoodie from Primark, and then I got this long sleeve. Shannon, what are you doing?
I stubbed my toe.
This is going in my video. I hope you don't mind that your feet are on there.
I get paid.
Alright, I changed into a different shirt because it was so freaking hot. Painted my nails, and I'm off to dinner soon. It's raining so badly. No, it's not raining that badly. We're just confused. How wet our hair is.
In the marketing team,
Uh-huh.
what on earth did you rate the word moist, the biggest part of the thing?
I like the word moist.
I hate it.
I just got home from dinner. I'm gonna take off my makeup right now just because I'm planning to go to the library and then the gym. I never like to gym with makeup on just because it's really bad for your skin. Ow, I look like shite. Hey guys, Gabby and I are at the library right now and we're gonna study for a couple of hours and then we're gonna head to the gym right after this. Hopefully we make it to the gym. No, we'll make it. We literally dressed in our gym apparel to study. It's really nice because like we live right across the street from the library, and then right across from the library is the gym, and it just makes like a triangle, and it's like nice, easy, convenient, and all of that good stuff.
There was summer when I saw your face, looked like a teenage runaway, and God, I never thought we'd take it that far. Some killer queen you are. Now I'm running and I can't stop.
This is my front door, and then on the door I have 2 towels. Then I have like 2 little bags here, my everyday raincoat, a couple of scarves right here, and then a couple of belts right there. Over here there's like a little mini cork board. It's not mini, it's pretty big, but I just have my calendars on there, a couple of maps, and then I hang my scrunchies there, hair ties here, and like necklaces, and then I keep my keys and pepper spray right there. Then right over here I just have a basket for all of my makeup. I have a picture of Andrew and I, and then this like plant I got at Primark, and then my disposable camera. Right here I got these 2 little jars at Primark as well. My iPad's right there and my little daily journal. In that I keep all my pens and pencils, and then right there is my daily like go-to face products and whatnot. Right here I just have a bin full of like random knickknacks like medicines, face moisturizers, nose strips, etc. Andrew's on FaceTime-ish.
Hello.
Hello. This is actually a bath rug, but I thought it looked cute here, so I left it here just because I like to kind of wipe my feet before I get in my bed. And then they have a mirror right here. I'm just too short, so I can never even use it. Right over here, I have my laundry bag, my shower caddy, and then that's like a little cardboard that I slip underneath the door to keep it open. It's like my door stop. It works. And then just a quick sneak peek into my closet. I have lint roller, 1 sock that I want to wear tomorrow actually, pajamas, pants. I have a couple of skirts hung up over here, and then I have a bunch of shirts, and then all my coats are right here. Then down here I have my carry-on luggage, a basket full of underwears and bras, and in the back I have a bunch of socks as well. These hangers are from Primark. They gave us a bunch so we didn't have to waste money on any of those because we're just gonna probably give it back to them after or recycle it. And that's it to my little room. I am in my pajamas now and I'm ready for bed, so thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions or comments or anything, leave them down below. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and to click the subscribe button if you haven't already done so. Bye guys.